What do you want? What do you want? Tell Mommy what you want. You want more? What do you want more of? You want more crab fries? Okay. Oh, crab fries. They're good. Is that good?
Mom. Mommy.
You found that one? Do you want more?
What? Mommy.
Ellery, do you want more?
Mommy said we gotta do that medicine.
Ellery, do you want more?
Mom, do we have to do the banana skin right now? No. Huh? Right now.